21 Modern Nursery Ideas. This beautiful nursery space, created by the design team at Rehabitat, is the perfect example of modern minimalism. Clean white walls, understated furnishings, and uncluttered floor space give the room a bright, airy feel and a sense of openness, proving that less can be so much more. Inspired by a trip to Morocco, this simple yet chic space, designed by the style maven behind the popular wedding blog Ruffled, combines clean modern style with jet-setting flair. A generous splash of pink with rich navy and gold accents makes this sophisticated nursery, designed by Elizabeth McKnight, all feminine and vintage. Texture and pattern rule in modern design to add richness to an understated, neutral aesthetic. The soothing palette of this nursery, spotted on Instagram, puts both of these key elements to good use, creating a warm and vibrant space without the need for bright color. This little boy's bold room, spotted on Snappy Casual, centers around a black and white geometric motif punctuated by a dramatic black wall. Clean lines and a minimalist approach keep the space looking sharp and modern. This cheery little nursery, featured on Apartment Therapy, boasts a lively mix of graphic patterns all tied together in a clean black and white color scheme. A sculpted geometric pendant lamp in glossy black adds the perfect touch to this modern space. With its clean lines, sparse accessories, and an emphasis on balance and symmetry, this swoon-inducing nursery for two, featured on Style Me Pretty, boasts plenty of modern appeal. The large round feather hanging light fixture heightens the modern feel in this room. Gold accents add the perfect touch of glam for a look that's sophisticated and chic for twin girls. This sweet little nursery, created by Regan Baker Designs, proves that modern decor and popular nursery themes are not mutually exclusive. The trick is to stay understated. Here a simple modern space incorporates a few key elements to suggest favorite nursery themes. Bright, clean, and thoroughly modern, this nursery exemplifies modern Nordic design. The contemporary aesthetic which creates functional, kid-friendly spaces that inspire a sense wonder by putting an emphasis on imagination and play. Here, lively patterns, whimsical art prints, and fun accessories bring this simple, modern nursery found on Petite and Small, giving the room its unique charm. This one-of-a-kind nursery design featured on Apartment Therapy combines mid-century modern furniture, funky accessories, and abstract art into a fun and spunky design. A black accent wall can be soothing in a nursery, and it helps the artwork and yellow curtains stand out. This beautiful baby girl's room spotted on 100-layer cake let features clean lines, minimal dressings, and a healthy dose of modern boho chic. The large-scale floral print on the wall, richly textured rug, and dramatic potted plant are all hallmarks of this new and popular take on bohemian style. This streamlined nursery features an oversized graphic print showcasing a favorite bunny. The added triangle decals add the perfect touch of whimsy to this sweet, contemporary nursery spotted on Cocoon. A focus on balance, shape, and geometric accents combine with woven textiles and earthy touches of green to make this modern boho twin nursery, designed by Natalie of Nat Your Average Girl, more than stylish enough for two. Up above a chandelier gives this nursery a hint of sparkle. Pops of bright Kelly green bring life and energy to this fun and modern boys' room shared by Oakley Peterson of Nothing Down About It. Black and white spaces featuring modern lines and graphic prints and patterns are popular, and the addition of a strong accent color gives this space a bold and refreshing twist. This ultra-sophisticated nursery space, featured on Project Nursery, is the perfect example of a nursery that doesn't look like a nursery. A one-of-a-kind graphic chalkboard mural is a showstopper in this realistic take on the woodland-themed nursery spotted on Grey House Studio. It's the perfect solution for a modern gender-neutral nursery. By taking the understated, geometric approach, this adorable, gender-neutral space, featured on Project Nursery, offers a subtle nod to the rustic woodland theme without compromising its clean, modern style. This clean, contemporary nursery makes a bold statement by emphasizing a single design element. The large-scale mural in this white-on-white nursery by Emily Henderson Interiors is a stark contrast to its simple surroundings. The mural draws the eye up and heightens the drama in this bright and modern space. A large-scale boho-style cactus print sets the scene in this modern nursery room from Telkiddo. Vibrant green plants add an extra dose of life, energy, and color to this richly textured, gender-neutral space. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.